I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to set tighter limits on location sharing for specific apps on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device and then tap Security and Privacy. Step 2. Swipe down to the Privacy section and then tap Privacy Controls in this section. Step 3. Tap Permission Manager in this list of options. Step 4. Tap Location from the list of permissions. You'll now see a full breakdown of apps categorized by their access level: allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, and not allowed. Step 5. Tap the specific app you want to restrict. To set the tightest possible limits, make the following 2 changes in the Location Access for App section. First, tap to select Ask Every Time. This ensures the app must ask for permission every single time you open it, and it loses that access the moment you close the app. Second, disable Use Precise Location. This forces the app to use approximate location instead, which tells the app the general city block you are on rather than your exact GPS coordinates. Repeat this for any other apps in your list to ensure you're only sharing what is absolutely necessary. And a final pro tip: in the latest Android updates, a blue dot will now appear in your status bar whenever an app is actively using your location. If you see that dot and didn't expect it, you can swipe down on your notification shade and tap the icon to see exactly which app is tracking you and shut it down immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.